guys, welcome back to Diko design tutorial. This morning I want to show you how you can make
Is it okay if I'm the same?
social media
I'm catching feelings from all the dealings. Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role.
I'm trying to do now. So
we getting crazy in a different role.
Then I'm combining the color together. So
she loves the fact that I just let her know.
Right now, as you can see,
we getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
So as you can see this,
she my do or die, my bona fide, my up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave or under attack, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role.
And position it, you see, I copy the same color.
We getting crazy in a different role.
This one I'm going to spread it out a little bit.
She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
So now that I'm
getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
Position to the center, then come to the lock it, then come to the second one and you do a kind of adjustment as well. And that's what I want to do, so that everything will be able to plumb the way I want it. Then you click OK and you lock the two. Now we are good to go. Now go to your gallery, go to download, and you select the fan. You can actually download this at the description of this video. You can download it at the description of this video, okay? So get it at the description of this video. So the next thing I'm going to do is to form a kind of shadow here. I want to form a kind of shadow. I want to see whether this will actually work. So you form a kind of shadow here. So now after this, then give it a color black. So after giving the color, come to your shadow and you enable the shadow. Then you increase the radius to 20. So then you leave it that way. Then come to where your color is. Come back to here. Then you reduce the color to 0. You see, it will be in term of a transparent background. Come to your opacity, reduce it to 0 as well. We'll see how it was. So it will remain only the shadow. Then come to your shadow here, then reduce it to 0. You see, we are able to form the background I'm talking about. So now what we're going to do is to set this one. You can increase it a little bit to form very well. Then what we are going to do right now is to send it back. Let it go back. So I've already sent it back. So it must look real. Are you getting me? It has to look real. So you position it at the center. So everything will look real, more real. Are you getting it? So I, I, I think we are good to go now. We're good to go. So you position it here. Everything will look real. Are you getting it? To look real. So you can increase. You can actually increase the black shadow to make it more darker. Are you getting it? So increase it to make it more look darker. So as you can see, so everything look more real. And the next thing that we're going to do is to apply a little shadow on this. Let's apply a little shadow. Let's apply. You reduce it, then come to your text here, and you move it down a bit. Are you getting it? So that everything will look more real. So after you're able to do that, the next thing to do is to reduce the radius, and you reduce this so that the little will be there. Are you getting it? Reduce it a little bit. So good. We are good to go. So as you can see the way it was, you can actually reduce this because I don't want it to come out. Reduce it. You see the way it was? Good. So you see the way it was. Good. So it will look once since the shadow is there, everything will look real as if you are actually place it down. So you can increase it. So good, we are able to achieve that. So after that, that is the only thing that are very difficult there. So after that, you can now go with your text. German. So German pool. German pool. So you give it your own desired font. So I want to use a leak font, leak pattern bold font, leak pattern bold font. So as you can see, I've used that here. So position your this thing there. So let it come down a little bit. So you can actually give it a spacing. Maybe like 2 is okay. So move it back a little bit. Now we need a table fan. So you select the type of font you want here. I want to use all these Roman fonts. I want to use Roman font and see how it look. Guess this is okay, but I still have one at the top here. Let's see how it look. Guess this is okay. So this is okay. Then use your line spacing. Use your line spacing here. Use your line spacing. Then position it there. You can actually reduce this. I want to do two things here. I want to do two things. I will remove the T. Then after removing the T, move it like this. Then choose the same font, copy and do it this way. Then you increase this one. I want it to be more somehow more bigger than the others. You getting it? So now move it here. You can now reduce the size so that it will not be too much. Reduce the size to 70. Now move it down a bit. So you can actually move these two. So you position so that it will not look separate. You make it look more real, as if you write them together. Are you getting it? You need to write table, not fable. Table. So as you can see, so I want to do the same thing with the F. Are you getting it? I want to do the same thing with F. Are you getting it? So okay, then I will copy T and wrote F, write F, then let's move it down like that. So move it up, move it up. You getting it? Shift it very well. You can shift it. And then move this a little bit down. Shift it back a bit. So now we are good to go. So after doing this, the next thing that we're going to do is to merge them together. Let's merge them together. So after merging them, merge only these together. So after merging them, you can now reduce the size, then return it back to where it was. Shift this a little bit, shift it, then move this, move it. Good. So we're good to go. Now place a line dust here. Place a line dust here. Shift it like this. Shift it like this. Then give it a color red. Give it a red color. Do it like this. Position it there like that. Good. Position it there like that. So let the line be rhyme. You getting it? You can actually use your zoom out so for you to be able to see clearly. You getting it? So let's see. It remains small. Shift it a bit. Good. Shift it a bit. So click. So we're almost there. So after you're able to do that, make sure you lock everything. Lock them one by one. So after that, the next thing to do is to go on with other write-up. Stylish design with cooling comfort at its best. Are you getting it? So after that, then go and choose the type of font you want. So I have a particular font in my mind, which is this. Let me see whether this will go along with it. If it doesn't go, I can still choose this Jura, or let me see this. This Jura regular font is okay. This Jura regular font. So what I'm going to do is to reduce the size. Sure. Then after reducing the size, come to your align, then align to the right, not to left. Are you getting it? Then you come to where the size is. You can now increase the size a bit. Don't forget to follow the align protocol. Look up, and you can use your ruler to do that by moving it so that it will what, it will rhyme. So you can now click this. Are you getting it? So this will allow you to move it, and it will not exceed the line. It will be the same line with the upper one. So after you are able to do this, you can come to where your line spacing is. Line spacing, you move it down like this. Then after that, move it back a little bit. So good. So the last one, come to your bold. Are you getting it? Come to your bold color. Then you can bold it. Good, good, good. So the next thing we are going to do is to copy this. Copy that red line, copy it, then you move it back here. So you can move it back here and let it be at the bottom. Let it be at the bottom of this. You getting? You can now use your white to remove it, to reduce it. So move it. Let's see. You still need to move them. You still need to move it. Good. So we're almost there. So the next thing we are going to do is to finish our write-up. So fantastic. So fantastic colon for every corner. So every corner. So every corner with it makes pedestal fan. It makes pedestal. No, not pedestal. Pedestal fan. Good. So I will not change this font. I will maintain this particular font here. So but I will reduce the size. Then I will now align to the right, not left, to the right. You can see where I'm clicking. So after that, you position this at the bottom by leaving a little space. Are you getting it? So after that, we are able to do this as well. Are you getting it? We are able to do this. Then the next thing that we are going to do is to write the price. $100. Let's write the price. $100. You can see 100. Then we will now bold this. Let's bold it because that is what we want to be more obvious. Are you getting it? So we still shift all these up a little bit. We'll shift them, holding these stylish calculator. Then we'll shift them. So after I've already merged them, I will shift them up. Can you see? So I will shift them up for me to be able to write this very well. So after writing the 100%, the next thing I'm going to do is to pick the route, circle like this, then position it here. It must not exceed the line. Are you getting it? It must not exceed the line. Good. So the next thing is to give it color. Give it color red as the color you have been maintained. Then put your right up shop now. Shop now. So we're almost done. Shop now. Then you reduce the size. Then come to your bold and bold it. Bold it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon as well so that you can be notified whenever I update a new video like this. And if you want to learn the real graphics, you want to take a course, the graphic course, feel free to chat me up. My number, my WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp group is at the description of this video. You can join our online course as well. And our online course is not a video course, or how will I put it? It's not an offline that will just be sending that they will be sending you a video and you will be watching. No, you can our courses is always presented using a Zoom where it has a specific time. You come online, join our Zoom class, then we share our screen and explain everything to you step by steps, ranging from how you can combine color, font, and others, and how you can be creative. You understand? Because there are, when we come to creativity, it's divided into what? Into several ways. But the major one is what we call an inner one and outer one. Some call the inner one the natural one, the outer one they call it artificial one. Are you getting it? And what do I mean by inner one? Inner one is just a creativity that you have within yourself. But the external one is the one you acquire, maybe by virtue of a means of garnering knowledge through learning process. Are you getting it? Then that one will be able to allow you to bring out your inner creativity. This will help you. But if you don't learn about things, how will you what? How will you bring out that inner creativity within you? So stop copying design, be original. Learn, take a graphic course today, join my class, join my group. From there, you can explore and succeed in graphics arena. Thanks for watching. Just we're almost done. There's nothing to do. You just need to come to your saved, pick ultra so that it will be more clearer and the quality will be 100%. Then save to your gallery. Thanks for watching. God bless you once again.